The first step is to write the fraction. Well, we already did that. Done. Good job. What's our next step? Read it with me. Draw that many circles with, exactly, draw as many circles as a denominator. Oh, we know this. We've done this before, right? Remember, we don't make huge circles because then it takes forever to fill them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please make sure that you have enough space between your circles because we will be working with them. And if they're all squished up against each other, it makes it hard. Emily, wait for the second step before you do that, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to need you to make those. I know I said teeny tiny, but those are minuscule, my friend. A little bit larger. Thank you. A little more space in between those next time, please. What is our next step? We're going to shade as many of the circles as the numerator. Please turn and tell your neighbor what the numerator is. A little more space and a little bit bigger next time. Right, so let's go ahead and shade 4 of those in, please. When you are done, check in with your neighbor. Make sure they did it okay. If they did, tell them, good job, buddy. Ooh, these are very big circles. All right, so it's okay for now, but next time please make sure to use them so they're a little bit smaller because if you make circles this big, it's going to take you much longer to do your problem. Thank you. All right, everyone with me? Yes. Now I know last time we divided right in half, right? But this is a little bit different. Remember we talked about the other strategy was for when we were trying to figure out what was bigger than half. That's not what we're trying to do here. We're trying to simplify. So the next step says, find the largest equal set without mixing pickles and chocolate milk. I want you to think back to division. What is an equal set? Think. Pair. What's an equal set?
Like some groups and every person gets the same amount of the thing.
Excellent. That is exactly what I wanted to hear. And let's share. Oh, Brian's absent. Jose, would you like to share what you think or what your neighbor thinks? Go ahead. What is an equal set?
A group of things and taking it away.
Okay, a group of things is correct. And how is the group of things alike? How many things are in each group?
Equally.
An equal number. Yes, Jose says an equal set is when we have a group of things and each group has the exact same amount of things. So this is an equal set of 3 people. That is an equal set of 3 people. Is this also an equal set with them? Think about it. Is this an equal set? This one, and this one. Are those equal sets? Think. Tell your neighbor yes or no. Now tell them why. Aaron, why? We have a speaker. Yeah, there's 4 in that one, and this one has 3, and this one has 3. So they are not an equal set. Good job. All right, so we're going to go and make equal sets so that each group has the same amount, and we are not mixing chocolate, milk, and pickles, because chocolate milk is awesome, pickles is awesome, chocolate milk and pickles is right? Nobody wants that. So I'm going to find this is a group of 4. I'm going to see if I can make groups of 4. All right, the way I'm going to do it is this. I'm going to take and I'm going to underline lightly with my pencil. Kevin. Lightly 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, that works. I can make 2 equal sets of 4. Do you agree?
Yes.
All right, so now you go ahead and do it on your paper. And because I know that I have equal sets now I can go ahead and put them in side sets, groups, circles. All right, let's look at our final step. We are going to make a fraction. I'll give you 5 seconds to catch up. Emily, would you come sit next to Kelly so when we do group discussions, you guys can discuss with each other? Thank you, sweetheart. In a fraction, what number goes on top? Go ahead. The numerator. I'm not trying to trick you, just a simple question. In a fraction, what number goes on top? Is that, now this one I do want you to think, is that the parts or the whole? Okay, round table, please. What is it?
Parts.
Okay, what is it? Okay. All right, which one is it? I have, which one? Whole? Parts. So I disagree with whole because the numerator is the number on top. Do you agree? Did we get confused with which one was which? Yeah, is that what happened? Okay. So if this is parts, this one is the whole. Now you got it. So my denominator is going to be the number of equal sets. Listen and read. Don't get allergic bees. All right? Number of equal sets. Not how many are in each set, the number of equal sets. So think of an answer in your head. Which one do you think it is? You have a choice of 2 or 4. How many equal sets do I have? Close your eyes. 2, 4. Okay, let's open our eyes. Well, let's count the sets. Is this an equal set? Yes. That's 1. Is this an equal set? Yes. Yeah. That's 2. I have 2 equal sets. I know that there are 4 in each, but that's not the question I was asked. I was not asked how many are in each set. The question was how many sets. Think of it as your TEG. This is your group. This is your each. I asked you how many groups. Got it? All right, now let's see if you really have it. Give me just a moment, please. What number goes on top? Read it. Number. Got it? Think. Think doesn't mean right. Think means use your brain.
Because I got confused because you said that the numerator doesn't change.
Okay. Oh, you missed the lesson the other day, so we talked about that. Okay. All right, turn and tell your neighbor how many, please.
4.
Okay. So if you agree with your neighbor, give me a thumbs up. If you disagree with your neighbor, go like this. Anybody? All right, close your eyes. 4, 1. Okay, let's open our eyes. So the question says the number of sets. What's another word for set? A group, right? Yeah. So let's think of it as a group. The number of shaded groups. How many groups have pieces that are shaded in them? Not how many pieces are shaded. How many groups have shaded pieces inside? Oh, do you want to try that one again? Yeah. Okay, close your eyes. 4, 1. Excellent. Most of us have that correct. I have one group, one equal set that has shaded pieces. My fraction is 1/2. That looks familiar to me. Where have I seen that before? Oh, yeah. It's on chart number 11. Wait Wait a minute. It's right there. 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2. Oh, very sneaky, Arce. It's almost like I planned it out, right? Yeah. All right, do you want to try another one?
Yes.
Excellent. Let's try another one. The next fraction we're going to do is 6/9. All right, let's see if you can do step 1, 2, and 3 by yourselves, please. Step 1, 2, and 3. You have 17 seconds to do it. Go. Hey, do you understand what I mean by shaded groups? Okay, so I know that there's 4 in here, right? But it's just one group. So if I didn't ask you, if I said how many people